Have you guys ever wondered if you could even get or find anything under 300,000 in McKinney, Texas? Well guys, let me show you this option because I actually have it for 265,000. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and I want you guys to see how beautiful it is. So it's a one story, 3 beds, 2 baths, about 1,300 square feet. It's a new construction neighborhood. They're currently building that side. They're still gonna build that side as well. I wanna show you guys the neighborhood. See, like that side is all built now. But this is gonna be the one that we're gonna be looking at, guys. 265,000. It's a 3-bedroom, new construction home, comes with all the warranties. And usually they come with different exteriors. I really like this exterior because it does have the front little porch area. But let me show you guys the inside. They call these smart homes because once you close, they come in, help you set up the ring doorbell, and also give you that smart touch code. And guys, whenever we come inside, you guys are gonna see that this one's 1,300 square feet, so a little bit bigger than just your most commonly seen apartments. This is gonna be a 3-2, so you're gonna have your living room area, and your kitchen would be a hybrid of island that you can also use as a table. So they really made this space pretty much work really good. As well, you guys can see, beautiful, nice upgraded kitchen cabinetry. It even has the cabinet handles. Guys, one thing about homes in Texas, usually most pre-existing homes would only come with the dishwasher, the stove, and the microwave. This one's gonna come in with the fridge, and let's see here, it's gonna be the washer and dryer set. So right now, the builder is gonna have some really good incentives that would include all your appliances as well. You guys can see, everything looks new. This is gonna be the pantry. So if you guys wanna see what the pantry looks like, it's pantry closet. I wanna show you guys another angle from this one. For those of you guys that are probably interested in the numbers, seeing what the numbers look like, because usually that's some of our clients, they always are interested about the numbers. Rigo, what do those numbers look like? For something like this, you guys might need around 10,000 to 11,000 out of pocket. This is bedroom 1. It's a little bit smaller. And the same thing, closet. So about 10 to 12,000 out of pocket, bedroom 2. Monthly payment, you guys, this was gonna be right around 2,000 a month. Yes, you heard that right, about around 2,000 a month. The reason why is because the builders are doing a 4.99% interest rate for their FHA loan. So if you're a traditional first-time buyer, you're gonna have options to get a lower rate. And obviously a lower rate means a lower monthly payment. So I wanna show you guys, it comes with the sprinkler system, really nice. And it comes with outside, there's a detector, rain sensor. So whenever that rain sensor gets water, it's gonna send a notification to this system. This system's gonna send one to here to shut it off, because if it's raining outside, there's no need to turn your sprinkler on. So it's a cool little thing as well. Tankless water heater. But yes, so going back to what we were saying, lower rate means lower payment. So if you, obviously this deal is not for investors, so only first-time buyers. If you're a first-time buyer, your monthly payment could be around $2,000 for this. So on the same hallway, we're gonna find the bathroom. Really nice bathroom. Really nice bathroom, 1 sink, and then the toilet. And then we're gonna see the laundry space. All right, so that's pretty much half of the house. And we're going back again. So this living room as well, this one's gonna be a good size. I'll say about 12 by 15. let's see what the backyard looks like. A lot of you guys are always curious about the backyards, or sometimes tired of those apartments with no backyard. If you guys have kids or pets and need a little bit more space for your grilling or your cookout, this one would be a nice choice. You have no neighbors behind you, which is just trees and nature. And the cool thing about this, you guys, that the homes are insulated so well that you can't even hear the outside, right? And I know a lot of you guys are probably dealing with noisy neighbors as well, so you're not gonna be dealing with that once you buy your first property. So take a look at it. This is the primary bedroom. 2 big windows there. And this would be the primary bathroom, you guys. Double sinks. Really nice cabinetry as well. And then you get some glass on your shower. You got the closet for all your towels and bathroom needs. A cool little window there on top. And as well, you're gonna have your own separate toilet room. So you guys can close it. Someone could be using the restroom, someone else can be getting ready. So pretty efficient when it comes to your time. This is gonna be the closet. I know you guys might say, Rigo, the closet doesn't look as big, the closet doesn't look too big. But let me tell you guys, for $265,000 in this premium location, you're actually paying for the location, you guys. Location in McKinney, it's pretty valuable. And this is the lowest 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom that we're gonna find here. And also not just that, we're right on the north side of McKinney, bordering Princeton, which 5 minutes down, you can be already in Princeton. But here, we're right at the top, right in the corner, which means that you're gonna be McKinney School District. In McKinney School District, it's usually ranked a little bit higher than Princeton. So if you guys are interested, I already helped a lot of people out. I want you guys to go on my Instagram. You guys can look at my name, Rigo Guzman. And I want you guys to check out the process, check out how many people I have helped, check out the results. I would love to help you guys out.